And just like that, we're back, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. It is an absolutely perfect day here in the beautiful state of Utah. Last night, I went off to the house. It's crazy. I don't know how they've done it. So much has changed at the house. This is probably by far and away the biggest house update we've had in a very, very, very long time. We're back, baby. Now, before we head off to the house, we're taking the Mark IV Supra off to the dyno. You guys might remember a couple videos ago, we did the manual swap, complete game changer. We also had an exhaust, an intake, a downpipe, and a built transmission. It's funny because the Supra is so iconic, such a legendary car. Everybody sees it like, oh, it's a Supra, it's a Supra. They want to race it. At the end of the day, it's a 97. It's really not that fast, but we're making improvements. So we're headed to the dyno right on now. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, this Supra, this is a 25-year-old car. This is 97. That's not bad. That's not bad. It's an obligation, a blessing, you might say. That's so good. Oh, they just don't make them like they used to. One more for the Tesla fanboys. Well, the Supra is locked down and ready for the dyno round 2. You guys might remember last time, 285 wheel horsepower. That was completely stock. What are you thinking, Luke?
Max power?
Max
like
power.
Full power?
Full power, race fuel, everything, full power.
I think we're crossing 400 today.
No way, no
405,
way. There's
baby.
no way. All right, baby, here we go. So we're gonna do 3 dyno runs. Dyno 1, it sounds so much better. Ooh, that's nice. Come on, baby. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 357 wheel horsepower, but we have some tricks up our sleeve. We have race fuel, and we're gonna pull the wastegate hose. 90 wheel horsepower just by pulling a hose. Yep. One hose, that's what? How much power is that? If I can do arithmetic, that's 33 wheel horsepower just like that. Oh yes, we're getting the good stuff. The 110 octane race fuel. Oh, the smell of cotton candy is so good. The smell of power. Here we go for round 3 with race fuel. Come on, baby, we want 400, we want 400. Come on, come on. That was insane! That was like 430 wheel horsepower! What? 430? We gotta run race fuel all the time! Yeah, oh my goodness! 429.94. That's insane! Absolutely legendary right there. 430 wheel horsepower. Last week it was 285. Now you guys might remember in the last video I rode in this car, we're gonna put this on the dyno and see single turbo, stock ECU, stock motor, what that can do. This is our future right here. Come on, baby, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh my gosh, that is so loud. What? Okay. Oh, 655. What? That's stock motor, stock ECU, single turbo, 655. Dude, I think I just blew out my eardrums. That Supra is so sick. So we just dropped it off at 2J's. One second. So we just dropped it off at 2JZ, oil change, transmission flush. That car is only gonna get sicker. One thing I still love about this Ferrari, the Valvetronic from FI, get to the neighborhood, simmer down, son. It's funny because one day we're in a 97 Toyota and the next day we're in a bright purple Ferrari. The neighbors here, they're very excited for me to leave, which based on the house is gonna be sooner than you think. I still can't believe this Supra on race fuel, 430 wheel horsepower. And 2 videos ago, the Nissan GTR Bug Killer, 1565 wheel horsepower. I used to be the laughing stock of YouTube, the slowest racer in the world. No, well, I still am. I mean, I'm still probably not really qualified to drive these cars, but we have them, and that's what we like. And on that bombshell, today's video has been sponsored by Anker. Now, this has got to be one of the coolest sponsors we've ever worked with. I'm sure most of you guys are just like me. By mid-afternoon, your phone is dying, and you need a quick charging solution. Well, I'm excited to introduce the brand new Anker 521 Nano Pro charger. You have max charge capacity of 40 watts, and you have dual port technology. Now, the original Apple charger, 20 watt max charge, it has a single port, and it's the exact same size. So you get twice the power, twice the ports, same size. Now the Anker 521 can charge an iPhone 13 at full speed while also simultaneously charging an iPad Air at full speed because of the dual port technology. You can also charge a MacBook Air at full speed with the Anker 521. Now the 521 comes in 4 awesome colors. You have Arctic White, Black Ice, Glacier Blue, and Cool Lavender. Now the Anker 521 also has Active Shield. That means it actively monitors temperature. It also has a power tuner chip to adjust for max power. Now of course the best-selling Anker 511 is still available, and they just introduced it in a really cool new pink color. And it truly is that easy and quick to charge your phone. Guys, check out the link in the description below to pick up the brand new Anker 521 Nano Pro. Dual port technology and 40-watt charge. Charging your phone has never been quicker. Check out that link below. I never thought I would admit this, but the more and more I drive this 458, it might be my favorite car in the lineup. You know, I said this in the last video, I'm gonna say it again. I might not have bought you a GT3, but we're gonna protect your Utah baby skin. Clinically proven. That's SPF 100. That's not the knockoff stuff. I love it. What'd you do with it?
I threw it out the way. I don't need it.
Wow. Now the Tesla Plaid might be faster. Might get like 400 miles of charge, and I get 9 miles a gallon on the 458. But does it matter? No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. Because it sounds like this. This car sounds so good. Also, I like Teslas. I used to own a Tesla. I sold it because I didn't like it that much. I also lost money on it, which is arguably the only car I've ever lost money on, which is weird, but at the same time, it doesn't matter. If you're one of my new neighbors watching today's video, I'm a great neighbor. Look at this. I'm polite. I'm respectful. The Ferrari's quiet as could be. This is so sick. Like the updates in today's video, as you guys can see, they're getting ready to do the exterior siding. All the Tyvek is up. Now I know I've said this in videos in the past, and in the past maybe that wasn't necessarily true, but at the same time, who cares? Today's video, like actually today's video, might quite possibly be the biggest house update we have had in the past 6 months. We have drone footage, we have the best B-roll we've ever seen, we might even get slow-mo of Luke applying sunscreen.
Absolutely not.
But could you imagine? You see guys, I never lie to you guys, I never stake you guys. Check this baby out, so much has gotten done. I call this stuff Tyvek. It's actually Dryline and Grip Right. Obviously not a big product placement for those companies, but feast your eyes. The exterior finishes are going on the house like next week. It's like every single day we just get a little bit closer to calling it a home. Because right now it's a house, but soon it's gonna be a home. And I reckon the more trash you see outside the home, the more work that's being done. Check this out. Oh yes, that is right, ladies and gentlemen. The drywallers have been putting in the time and energy. This living room is completely transformed. Bro, Ferrari on the wall right there. It looks so incredible. Fireplace is coming together. Dude. And immediately off camera, Luke is like, go walk on that, go risk your life for the viewers. And obviously, naturally, that is 100% what we, okay, there's a lot of squeaks, bro.
Just go.
Okay, well.
Just do it.
That's a lot of attitude right there. Oh, yes. Dude, this is sick. We're getting perspectives we're never going to get any other time. I don't know how... Oh, wow. You didn't follow me on here? Are you kidding me? Yeah. Oh. You know, Luke Terry, funny guy. Real funny. I can make that leap. I can clear that gap. You don't doubt me, do you?
You're not that guy.
You're out of job. Because you're right. I'm not that guy. I'm definitely not that guy. Bro, really? Really? My life is on the line. Unbelievable. If you're scared of heights, I would suggest, bro, I'm putting so much trust in you right now. Oh, yes. Check this, like, look how much they've gotten done. Like, whatever you call this room, I don't know what this is, it's done. We have a hallway to the bedrooms. Like, my future children watching today's video, that's your bedroom right there. We got another bedroom. This is so sick. Like, we got closets, we got like, look at this shower. Is this not the nicest shower you've ever seen? Just imagine, actually don't imagine, but look, this shower's got 2 windows. Whatever it is that you call that thing, I think a mezzanine or a balcony, something cool's gotta go there. The baby Countach would fit perfectly right there. An engine would fit perfectly right there. Maybe like an old motorcycle?
That'd be dope.
That'd be way sick. Like the possibilities, guys, if you have any good ideas of what we should put on this little mezzanine balcony, let me know. The stair, like, oh man, this is so cool. Like, I've never been so amped for stairs in my life. That is beautiful. So over here is another bedroom that I have absolutely no idea what to do with. If you're looking for a place to rent, don't call me because, well, Luke might be moving in. But check out this room right here. We got the vaulted ceiling. That's sick. And then, of course, moving on into the garage. Not like a ton has gotten done in here, but we have an HVAC unit. Look at that. One. There's another one over there. We got drywall. I mean, they are starting to put drywall on the ceiling right here as well. And we're gonna be running speakers in here too, so that's kind of sort of the time delay. But check out that window. That window is so sick. This late evening light, this whole garage is just glowing right now. Dude, it's not like a lot has been done here in the garage, but every single time we're in here, we just gotta check it out. So cool. And also in other exciting news, we just got an update on the car elevator system. It is gonna be here in it's gonna ship out in 3 weeks. It should be here in like 4 weeks. It's so crazy how in like a matter of a couple weeks, so much is happening. We have trim and siding, which has advanced durability for longer lasting protection. Oh, that's great. Wow, Luke, we could use a little bit more enthusiasm. It's long lasting. Again, it's wonderful. Luke, cut that out of the vlog. And of course, last but certainly not least, like I said, these drywallers, they're putting in so much time and energy. So this garage is done. We got the little hallway to this garage as well. We got the heater up there. This is so sick. This is so exciting. I said this before and I'll say it again. The house should be done summertime 2022. Who knows? Maybe springtime. Now, of course, there's still a lot to be done here at the house, but there's something about drywall that just gives it this finished feel. Like we are standing in my future living room right now. We are standing in my future office right now. It's so sick. This is so exciting. This is such a surreal feeling. Of course, today's video is a very exciting video, and I don't want to ruin the mood in today's video, but if you are watching today's video and you're thinking about coming to my house, please don't. This is private property. I've said it before, I said it again. I love you guys. You guys have supported me for so long, but at the end of the day, this is my house, it's my home, and I would really appreciate if you guys don't come here. But we got exciting things in the future. The twin turbo Gallardo updates very, very soon. If you guys saw the last video, the Nissan GTR Bug Killer, 1,565 wheel horsepower. The Toyota Supra 430 wheel horsepower. Veyron Bug Killer Nissan GTR video is coming sooner than you think. But on that incredible bombshell, today's video, that purple looks so good, it's over. Now, of course, there's still a lot to be done here at the house, but there's something about drywall that gives it this like near finished feel. Like this is now my living room, like in the future, the couch. Oh my goodness, I have been dreaming of an L-shaped couch my entire life, and I love my current couch. I'm not getting rid of my current couch. Like if my couch is watching today, okay, this is weird. Luke, that was really weird. I had a one-on-one with my couch. I like the couch though, you know what I'm saying? Take two? Yes. I can't believe it. You guys don't believe it. We're actually here. Wow, my voice is squeaking. It's so early. We are on time. Welcome to Adrenaline Service and Dyno. We're here. Very funny, Luke.